Do you find it challenging to keep up with all the Facebook algorithm updates? You're not alone. Just when you thought you had your strategy locked in, the algorithm changes and you're left scratching your head, wondering what to do next. Hi, I'm Dane from HubSpot Academy. Like it or not, algorithms are here to stay. Let's take a very quick look at how the newsfeed algorithm works and what you can do to make sure your content gets seen. The algorithm's #1 priority is to connect Facebook users to content that is most relevant to them. Think content from friends and family, or content they're likely to engage with. Your business probably doesn't fall into the friends or family category, so your focus is going to be on creating content that drives engagements, reactions, clicks, likes, and shares. The algorithm will prioritize content with tons of engagement. Now, I bet you're wondering what you can do to drive engagement. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 3 critical things you can implement immediately, starting today. Post more video content, especially with Facebook Live. 45% of users watch more than an hour of video on Facebook every week. Make sure you're getting in on the action. Secondly, get people talking. Starting conversations is a great way to drive engagement. Ask questions, use polls, and invite your audience to be a part of the conversation. And finally, pay to play. If you're not getting the organic reach you'd like, invest in a good Facebook ad strategy. Running ads can help you get your content in front of people who are more likely to engage. Start implementing those 3 things today and give your content the chance to bypass the complexities of the algorithm and get seen. To find out what else it takes to craft a winning Facebook strategy, check out the Facebook marketing course over at HubSpot Academy. Until next time. Hi, I'm Dane from HubSpot Academy. Subscribe to this channel to see more videos like these. Thanks for watching.